What if everything we think we know about the universe is just the tip of the iceberg? What if the cosmos holds secrets so wild, so extraordinary, that they defy our current understanding of reality? The universe has always been a place of mystery and wonder, but the future might bring discoveries that could completely rewrite the rules as we know them. From black holes that sing haunting melodies to the possibility of parallel universes brushing up against our own, the cosmos is poised to reveal surprises that could challenge everything we thought was possible. In this video, we'll explore 25 astonishing ways the universe might shock us in the years to come. These aren't just far-off fantasies, they're ideas grounded in cutting-edge science, pushing the boundaries of what we think is real. Whether it's the potential for time travel, the existence of alien civilizations, or the discovery of entirely new dimensions, each possibility opens up a doorway to a future that's as thrilling as it is unpredictable. So why does this matter? Because the universe isn't just a backdrop to our lives, it's the very fabric of our existence. Understanding its surprises isn't just about satisfying curiosity, it's about preparing for a future where the unimaginable becomes reality. Let's dive into these cosmic possibilities together and see what the universe might have in store for us. What if one day we looked up at the night sky and realized we weren't the only ones building grand structures among the stars? Picture this: orbiting a distant star far beyond our solar system lies something massive, something unmistakably artificial. This isn't just a random cluster of rocks or a peculiar gas cloud. No, this is a megastructure, a colossal feat of engineering constructed by a civilization far more advanced than our own. Structures like these, often theorized as Dyson spheres, are designed to capture the energy of an entire star, a concept that sounds like science fiction but could very well become science fact. Scientists are already on the hunt for these cosmic anomalies. Using telescopes and advanced algorithms, they're sifting through the light patterns of distant stars, searching for irregularities that might hint at something extraordinary. A star that dims in strange, unnatural ways, or one that emits unusual heat signatures, could be the smoking gun we've been waiting for. The discovery of such a structure wouldn't just be a scientific breakthrough, it would be a paradigm shift. It would confirm that we are not alone in the universe, and that somewhere out there, another civilization has mastered technologies far beyond our wildest dreams. But what would this mean for us as a species? For starters, it would challenge everything we think we know about our place in the cosmos. The realization that we're not alone could unite humanity in ways we've never seen before. Imagine the global collaboration that might follow, nations pooling resources, scientists working across borders, and a renewed sense of purpose as we reach out to the stars. It could spark a new golden age of exploration, driven not just by curiosity, but by the hope of connecting with those who may have already achieved what we're only beginning to imagine. And yet, there's another layer to this discovery. If we find evidence of a Dyson sphere or something similar, it wouldn't just tell us that intelligent life exists, it would show us what's possible. A civilization capable of harnessing the energy of a star is one that has likely solved challenges we're still grappling with, like sustainable energy and interstellar travel. Their existence could serve as both inspiration and a roadmap, pushing us to aim higher and dream bigger. Of course, the discovery of alien megastructures would also raise profound questions. Who built them? Are they still out there, or have they moved on? And what would it mean for us if we ever made contact? These are the kinds of mysteries that could keep us searching, exploring, and wondering for generations to come. The universe is vast, and if even one star out there bears the mark of another civilization, it changes everything. It's not just a discovery, it's a doorway to a future we've only begun to imagine. What if time travel wasn't just the stuff of movies and novels? What if one day it became a reality? This isn't just a wild idea, it's something that theoretical physics has been exploring for decades. Concepts like wormholes, which act as cosmic shortcuts through spacetime, and closed time-like curves, which loop time back on itself, suggest that time travel might not be as impossible as it seems. While we're nowhere near building a time machine today, the mere possibility opens up a universe of questions and possibilities. Think about it, the ability to witness pivotal moments in history firsthand, to walk among ancient civilizations, or even to glimpse the far future. The allure is undeniable, but with such power comes profound responsibility. What happens if someone changes a single event in the past? Could it ripple through time, altering the course of history in ways we can't predict? This isn't just a theoretical problem, it's a moral one. How would humanity decide who gets to travel through time, and how would we prevent catastrophic mistakes? The concept of time travel also forces us to rethink our understanding of cause and effect. If the past can be changed, does that mean the future is no longer fixed? Or could time itself have a way of correcting anomalies, ensuring that certain events always unfold as they're meant to? These questions aren't just fascinating, they're fundamental to our understanding of the universe. And they are why scientists, philosophers, and dreamers continue to be captivated by the idea of bending time to our will. But here's the thing, even if time travel becomes possible, it's unlikely to be as simple as stepping into a machine and popping out in another era. The challenges are immense, from the energy required to create a stable wormhole to the potential dangers of navigating spacetime itself. And yet, the very fact that it's theoretically possible keeps the dream alive. It's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and our understanding of it is still in its infancy. Imagine a reality where the universe we know is just one thread in an infinite cosmic tapestry woven together with countless others. This is the essence of the multiverse theory, a mind-bending concept suggesting that our universe is not alone. But what if these parallel universes don't just exist in isolation? What if, from time to time, they collide? The idea of universes crashing into one another isn't just science fiction. It's a possibility that could reshape everything we think we know about existence. These collisions, if they happen, might be the key to unlocking some of the universe's greatest mysteries. Take dark energy, for example. This mysterious force is causing the universe to expand faster and faster, yet we still don't fully understand its origins. Could it be the result of a collision between two universes, each with its own unique laws of physics? Or consider the Big Bang itself. What if it wasn't the beginning of everything, but rather the aftermath of a massive collision between two parallel realities? The implications are staggering, and then there's the tantalizing question of what lies beyond our own universe. If parallel universes exist, could they contain alternate versions of ourselves, versions that made different choices, lived different lives? Or perhaps entirely new forms of existence, so alien that they defy our imagination. The multiverse isn't just a theoretical playground for physicists, it's a window into infinite possibilities. But how could we ever detect or interact with these other universes? The answer might lie in the very fabric of space-time. Some theories suggest that the ripples and distortions caused by these collisions could leave behind detectable signatures, cosmic breadcrumbs that lead us to the truth. Advances in technology, like more powerful telescopes or even quantum experiments, could one day give us a glimpse into these other realms. The idea of parallel universes colliding isn't just a fascinating thought experiment. It's a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the cosmos. Every new discovery peels back another layer of reality, revealing a universe or perhaps a multiverse that's far stranger and more interconnected than we ever imagined. And as we continue to explore, who knows what surprises might be waiting for us just beyond the edge of our understanding? What if the universe isn't just a silent expanse of darkness and light, but a grand cosmic orchestra with black holes as its most enigmatic musicians? While black holes are often depicted as silent voids devouring everything in their path, recent breakthroughs have revealed a surprising twist: they might actually sing. Yes, you heard that right. Black holes could be producing sounds, and these eerie, otherworldly tones might hold the key to unlocking some of the universe's deepest secrets. Gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time caused by massive cosmic events, have been detected for years, but now scientists are exploring how these waves could be translated into audible frequencies. Imagine taking the vibrations from a black hole collision or the spiraling dance of two supermassive black holes and converting them into sound waves. The result, a haunting symphony, a melody born from the most extreme environments in the cosmos. These sounds aren't just fascinating, they're packed with information. By listening to these cosmic songs, researchers could gain new insights into the behavior of black holes, their structures, and even the nature of space-time itself. Each tone, each note would carry data about the black hole's mass, spin, and the forces at play. It's like decoding the universe's own language, one vibration at a time. And here's the thing, this isn't just about science. Imagine the emotional impact of hearing the universe speak, of feeling connected to something so vast and mysterious through sound. It's a reminder that the cosmos isn't just something we observe, it's something we can experience. This discovery could revolutionize how we study the universe. Instead of relying solely on telescopes and data, we might one day tune into the frequencies of black holes, listening for clues about the cosmos' origins and evolution. And who knows, these sounds could reveal phenomena we haven't even imagined yet. The idea of a singing universe opens up a whole new dimension of exploration, blending science, art, and emotion in ways that could change how we see and hear the cosmos. So, the next time you think of black holes as silent destroyers, remember this: they might just be the universe's most profound musicians, playing a symphony that's been waiting billions of years to be heard. What secrets might their songs hold? We're only just beginning to find out. What if the universe you see, touch, and experience every day isn't what it seems? What if it's all just lines of code in an unimaginably complex simulation? This isn't science fiction anymore, it's a theory that's gaining serious attention from scientists and philosophers alike. Imagine for a moment that everything around you, from the stars in the night sky to the thoughts in your mind, is part of a meticulously designed program, created by a civilization so advanced that their technology is indistinguishable from what we call reality. This idea, often called the simulation hypothesis, suggests that our universe might be a digital construct, much like a hyper-realistic video game. And while it might sound like the plot of a blockbuster movie, some of the brightest minds in physics and computer science are seriously considering it. Think about it: if future civilizations could create simulations so detailed that they mimic entire worlds, complete with conscious beings, how could we ever be sure that we're not living in one of those simulations? The implications are staggering. If true, it would mean that free will might be an illusion, a scripted part of the program. It could also redefine our understanding of existence itself. Are we truly autonomous beings, or are we characters in a story written by someone or something else? And what about consciousness? Is it a product of biology, or is it something that can be coded and replicated? But here's where it gets even more intriguing. If we are living in a simulation, could we somehow find a way to hack it? Could we manipulate the code to bend the rules of reality? Or even more mind-bending, could we communicate with the beings who created this simulation? These questions push the boundaries of what we consider possible, challenging the very foundation of our understanding of reality. This theory doesn't just belong to philosophers anymore, it's a topic that's sparking debates in labs and lecture halls around the world. And while we may never have definitive proof, the mere possibility forces us to rethink everything we thought we knew about the universe and our place within it. Could we be living in the ultimate virtual reality? The answer might be closer than we think, or perhaps it's hiding in plain sight, written in the fabric of existence itself. For centuries, scientists have worked to understand the forces that shape our universe: gravity pulling planets into orbit, electromagnetism powering our technology, and the strong and weak nuclear forces holding atoms together. These four fundamental forces form the foundation of modern physics. But what if there's something we've missed? What if, lurking in the shadows of the cosmos, there's a fifth force waiting to be discovered? This isn't just science fiction. Researchers are actively hunting for evidence of a hidden force that could explain some of the universe's biggest mysteries. Take dark matter, for example. We know it exists because of its gravitational effects, but we can't see it or directly detect it. Could a fifth force be the key to understanding this invisible substance that makes up most of the matter in the universe? Or what about dark energy, the mysterious force driving the universe to expand faster and faster? A fifth force might hold the answers, or it could reveal something even more extraordinary. The search for this force is already underway. Experiments are being conducted deep underground, in particle colliders, and even in space, all in the hopes of catching a glimpse of something that doesn't fit the current laws of physics. If discovered, it wouldn't just add a new chapter to our textbooks, it would rewrite them entirely. Imagine the possibilities: new technologies, deeper insights into the nature of reality, and perhaps even a way to harness this force for humanity's benefit. But here's the most exciting part: we don't even know what we don't know. A fifth force could unlock doors we didn't even realize were closed. It could change the way we think about everything, from the smallest particles to the largest structures in the cosmos. The search for this force isn't just about solving puzzles. It's about stepping into the unknown and discovering truths that could reshape our understanding of existence itself. So, as we peer deeper into the universe, one question remains: what secrets might this fifth force reveal? The answer could be closer than we think, and when it's found, it might just be the most profound discovery in the history of science. Imagine a world where life doesn't just exist on Earth, but thrives in the most unexpected places, hidden beneath layers of ice, in oceans far from the warmth of the sun. This isn't science fiction. It's a very real possibility on Europa and Enceladus, two moons that have captured the attention of scientists and dreamers alike. Europa, orbiting Jupiter, and Enceladus, circling Saturn, are both covered in thick icy shells, but what lies beneath could be nothing short of extraordinary. Underneath Europa's frozen surface, scientists believe there's a global ocean, one that might hold more than twice the volume of all Earth's oceans combined. Similarly, Enceladus has been spotted spewing plumes of water vapor and icy particles into space, hinting at a subsurface ocean of its own. These aren't just bodies of water, they're potential cradles for life. The conditions there, liquid water, chemical energy, and possibly hydrothermal vents, could create the perfect environment for microbial organisms or even more complex life forms to thrive. The idea of finding life on these distant moons isn't just exciting, it's transformative. Discovering even the simplest forms of extraterrestrial life would rewrite our understanding of biology, challenging what we thought we knew about where life can exist. It would force us to rethink the origins of life itself. Did life arise independently on these moons, or could it have been carried there by comets or asteroids, suggesting that life might be more common in the universe than we ever imagined? But beyond the science, this discovery would have profound philosophical implications. It would remind us that life, in all its fragility and resilience, might not be confined to our pale blue dot. It would shift our perspective on humanity's place in the cosmos, humbling us while simultaneously igniting a new era of exploration. The search for life on Europa and Enceladus isn't just about answering scientific questions, it's about understanding who we are and where we fit into the grand tapestry of the universe. Future missions like NASA Europa Clipper and potential probes to Enceladus are already in the works, designed to peer beneath the ice and search for signs of life. These missions could reveal secrets that have been locked away for billions of years, waiting for us to find them. The thought of what we might discover is enough to keep us looking to the stars, wondering what else might be out there, waiting to surprise us. And so, as we prepare to explore these distant oceans, we're not just searching for life, we're searching for a deeper connection to the universe itself. What we find could change everything. What if everything we know about the universe, its vastness, its endless expanse, isn't quite as infinite as we've been led to believe? This brings us to our eighth surprise, the possibility that the universe might actually have an end. For centuries, the idea of an infinite cosmos has been a cornerstone of our understanding, but what if that's not the case? Some theoretical models suggest the universe could be finite yet unbounded, much like the surface of a sphere. Imagine walking in a straight line on Earth. You'd eventually circle back to where you started without ever hitting a wall. The universe might work in a similar way, finite in size but without a clear edge to bump into. Now, if the universe does have boundaries, what would that mean for us? For starters, it would completely upend our understanding of space and time. We'd have to rethink everything from the Big Bang to the expansion of the cosmos. And then there's the question of what lies beyond those boundaries. Could there be other universes, hidden dimensions, or even entirely different laws of physics waiting to be discovered? The idea of a finite universe doesn't just challenge our scientific models, it forces us to confront the very nature of existence itself. Are we alone in this cosmic bubble, or is there something, or someone out there just beyond the edge of what we can see? This concept doesn't just spark curiosity, it ignites a sense of wonder. If the universe is finite, it means there's a limit to what we can explore, but it also opens the door to entirely new possibilities. What if the boundaries of our universe are just the beginning of a much larger multiverse? And if that's the case, what else could be out there? These questions don't just stretch our imagination, they push the boundaries of science itself, offering a glimpse into a future where the answers might be even more extraordinary than the mysteries we're trying to solve. Now, let's shift our gaze to something equally mysterious but far less talked about: white holes. While black holes have become a staple of cosmic fascination, their theoretical opposites remain shrouded in intrigue. Imagine a region of space-time that refuses to let anything in, instead violently ejecting matter and energy into the universe. That's the essence of a white hole, a cosmic fountain that defies the very rules black holes live by. Unlike black holes, which pull everything into their gravitational grip, white holes are thought to push everything away. Picture a one-way street where nothing can enter, but everything is forced outward. This concept isn't just a sci-fi fantasy. It emerges from the same equations that describe black holes, hinting that the universe might have a strange symmetry we've yet to fully grasp. So, why haven't we found one? White holes remain purely hypothetical, but their existence could solve some of the universe's biggest puzzles. For instance, what if certain bursts of energy, like gamma-ray bursts or fast radio bursts, are signatures of white holes? These explosive events could be the universe's way of revealing these elusive objects. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Some theories suggest that white holes could be connected to black holes through wormholes, creating a cosmic bridge between two distant regions of spacetime. Imagine a black hole swallowing matter in one corner of the universe, only for it to be spewed out by a white hole somewhere else entirely. It's a mind-bending idea that challenges our understanding of how space and time interact. What would it mean to encounter a white hole? For one, it would force us to rethink the very fabric of reality. These objects could hold clues about the origins of the universe, the nature of spacetime, and even the possibility of alternate realities. While we may not have definitive proof of their existence yet, the mere possibility of white holes invites us to dream bigger and question deeper. After all, the universe has a way of surprising us when we least expect it. What if I told you that the periodic table, that iconic chart we all memorized in school, might still have a few secrets left to reveal? It's easy to think of it as a finished work, but the truth is, scientists are constantly on the hunt for new elements, ones that could be hiding in the far reaches of space or forged under conditions so extreme they defy imagination. This is the 10th surprise on our list, the discovery of a brand new element, one that could rewrite the rules of chemistry as we know it. Imagine an element with properties we've never seen before. Maybe it's super lightweight yet incredibly strong, perfect for building next-generation spacecraft. Or perhaps it conducts electricity with near-zero resistance, revolutionizing energy storage and transmission. Some scientists even speculate that a new element could unlock breakthroughs in medicine, offering treatments for diseases that currently have no cure. The possibilities are as vast as the cosmos itself, but where would such an element come from? One theory is that it's lurking in the depths of space, formed in the heart of a neutron star or during the collision of massive celestial bodies. These environments are so extreme that they could produce matter unlike anything we've ever encountered. Another possibility is that we might create it ourselves, using particle accelerators to smash atoms together at incredible speeds, mimicking the conditions of the early universe. The search for new elements isn't just about filling in gaps on a chart. It's a testament to humanity's unrelenting curiosity. From the discovery of fire to the invention of the internet, we've always been driven to explore the unknown. And while the periodic table might seem like a closed book, the reality is that it's more like a story with blank pages, waiting for the next chapter to be written. So, what would it mean for us if we found this elusive new element? Beyond the scientific implications, it could inspire a whole new generation of explorers, dreamers, and innovators. It's a reminder that the universe still holds mysteries, and that every discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in it. The hunt continues, and who knows? The next groundbreaking element might be just around the corner. What if everything we thought we knew about the age of the universe was just the tip of the iceberg? For decades, scientists have estimated the cosmos to be approximately 13.8 billion years old, a number that has become a cornerstone of modern cosmology. But what if that number is wrong? What if the universe is far older than we've ever imagined? This isn't just a thought experiment, it's a possibility that could fundamentally reshape how we understand the cosmos. Imagine this, a new discovery, perhaps from a deeper analysis of the cosmic microwave background, or an unexpected observation from a next-generation telescope, reveals that the universe has been around for much, much longer. Maybe it's not 13.8 billion years old, but 20 billion or even 50 billion. Such a revelation wouldn't just add a few extra zeros to the timeline. It would force us to rethink everything from the Big Bang to the formation of galaxies. The very events we've mapped out in the universe's history might need to be recalibrated, stretching timelines and introducing entirely new chapters we never knew existed. Think about what this could mean for our understanding of time itself. If the universe is older, does that mean the Big Bang wasn't the beginning, but just a pivotal moment in a much grander story? Could there have been other cosmic events before it, lost to the depths of time? And what about the evolution of stars, planets, and even life? If the universe has existed for longer, it raises fascinating questions about how much more time there was for complexity to emerge, for civilizations to rise and fall, or for phenomena we can't even begin to comprehend to unfold. This idea also challenges our perception of scale. We already know the universe is unimaginably vast, but if it's older, that vastness extends not just in space but also in time. It's a humbling thought that our current understanding might be just a snapshot of a much larger, more intricate story. And while this might seem like a daunting shift, it's also an exciting opportunity. Science thrives on discovery, and the prospect of revising the universe's age could open doors to new theories, new technologies, and new ways of exploring the cosmos. So, what would it mean for us here on Earth to learn that the universe is older than we thought? It would remind us that our knowledge is always evolving, that the cosmos is full of surprises, and that even the most fundamental truths we hold dear are open to revision. The universe has a way of keeping us on our toes, and that's what makes the journey of discovery so thrilling. What if the universe isn't just a vast expanse of stars and galaxies, but also a bustling hub of communication? Imagine a cosmic internet, a vast network connecting civilizations across the cosmos. This isn't science fiction, it's a tantalizing possibility. Advanced alien societies, far beyond our current technological capabilities, might have developed a way to share information instantly, bypassing the limitations of distance and time. How? One theory suggests they could be using quantum entanglement, a phenomenon where particles become linked across vast distances, allowing information to be transmitted faster than the speed of light. Or perhaps they've harnessed technologies we can't even begin to comprehend. The discovery of such a network wouldn't just be groundbreaking, it would redefine our place in the universe. Think about it, humanity has only just begun to explore the cosmos, but what if we're late to the party? What if civilizations millions of years older than us have already built this cosmic internet, a shared space where knowledge, culture, and ideas flow freely? The implications are staggering. Not only would it prove we're not alone, but it could also offer us access to unimaginable advancements. Imagine tapping into a database filled with the collective wisdom of countless worlds, learning from their triumphs and mistakes, and collaborating on projects that span galaxies. But here's the kicker, could we even join this network? Our technology is still in its infancy compared to what such a system would require. Quantum communication, for example, is something we're only beginning to understand. Yet, the idea of humanity one day becoming part of this interstellar conversation is both thrilling and humbling. It challenges us to think bigger, to push the boundaries of what we believe is possible. The cosmic internet isn't just about communication, it's about connection. It's a reminder that the universe might be far more interconnected than we ever imagined, and that the future could hold opportunities for collaboration that transcend the stars. What if the universe isn't just a vast, cold expanse of stars and galaxies, but something far more extraordinary, something alive? Imagine for a moment that the cosmos itself is a conscious, living entity, brimming with purpose and awareness. This might sound like the plot of a science fiction novel, but it's a fascinating possibility that some scientists and philosophers have seriously considered. The idea of a living universe challenges everything we think we know about life, existence, and our place in the grand scheme of things. If the universe were truly alive, it wouldn't just be a static collection of matter and energy. It would be a dynamic, sentient being, constantly evolving and interacting with itself in ways we can barely comprehend. Think about it, if the universe has consciousness, what does that mean for us? Are we merely tiny fragments of its awareness, or do we play a more significant role in its existence? This idea blurs the line between science and philosophy, forcing us to rethink not just how the universe works, but why it exists at all. It raises profound questions about the nature of life itself. Could consciousness exist on such an unimaginably vast scale? And if so, how would that change our relationship with the cosmos? Would we feel more connected to it, as if we're part of something greater? Or would it make us feel even smaller in the face of such an immense sentient force? This concept isn't just a wild speculation. It's a thought experiment that pushes the boundaries of our understanding. Some theories in physics, like panpsychism, suggest that consciousness might be a fundamental property of the universe, present even at the smallest levels of matter. Others draw parallels between the structure of the universe and the neural networks in our brains, hinting at a kind of cosmic intelligence. While these ideas are far from proven, they invite us to explore the possibility that the universe might be far more mysterious and alive than we ever imagined. What's truly exciting about this idea is how it challenges us to think differently. If the universe is alive, then every star, planet, and galaxy could be part of a vast, interconnected system, each piece playing a role in a cosmic symphony of existence. It's a perspective that could transform not just how we see the universe, but how we see ourselves. After all, if the cosmos is alive, then so are we, tiny but integral parts of a living, breathing whole. And that's a thought that's as humbling as it is awe-inspiring. We've grown accustomed to thinking of our world in 3 dimensions: length, width, and height, plus time, the 4th dimension that keeps everything moving forward. But what if our universe isn't as limited as it seems? Theoretical physics has long hinted at the possibility of higher dimensions, hidden layers of reality that could hold the keys to some of the biggest mysteries in science. Imagine for a moment that the fabric of our universe is like a sheet of paper. To a 2-dimensional being living on that paper, the world is flat with no concept of up or down. But to us 3-dimensional beings, it's obvious there's more to it. Now, what if we're the ones missing something even bigger? What if there are dimensions beyond our perception, curled up or stretched out in ways we can't yet detect? This isn't just science fiction. Theories like string theory and brain cosmology propose the existence of up to 10 or even 11 dimensions. These extra dimensions could be incredibly small, compacted into spaces so tiny that our current technology can't observe them. Or they could be vast, overlapping with our own in ways that influence everything from the behavior of gravity to the mysterious presence of dark matter. Gravity, for example, is surprisingly weak compared to other fundamental forces. Some scientists suggest it's because gravity leaks into these hidden dimensions, diluting its strength in our observable universe. If we were to discover a new dimension, it wouldn't just be a scientific breakthrough, it would be a paradigm shift in how we understand reality itself. Suddenly, the universe would become far more complex and interconnected than we ever imagined. Think about the possibilities: new forms of energy, alternate pathways for travel, or even entirely new laws of physics waiting to be uncovered. It's a concept that challenges our most basic assumptions about space, time, and existence. But here's the real kicker: discovering these dimensions wouldn't just answer questions, it would raise even more. What would it feel like to interact with a higher dimension? Could we ever perceive or navigate it, or would it remain forever beyond our grasp? And what else might be hiding there? The idea is both thrilling and humbling, reminding us that the universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we can currently comprehend. So, as we continue to explore the cosmos, one thing is certain: the discovery of a new dimension wouldn't just change science, it would change how we see ourselves in the grand tapestry of reality. What if the story of our universe isn't a one-time event but an endless loop? Imagine a cosmos that doesn't have a definitive beginning or end, but instead cycles through phases of expansion, collapse, and rebirth. This is the essence of the cyclic universe theory, a fascinating idea that challenges our traditional view of the Big Bang as a singular starting point. Instead of a single explosive beginning, this model proposes that the universe undergoes an infinite series of Big Bangs, each followed by a big crunch where everything collapses back in on itself, only to start anew. It's like a cosmic heartbeat pulsing with creation and destruction over and over again. But what would this mean for our understanding of time and existence? If the universe is truly cyclic, then the concept of a beginning becomes almost meaningless. There's no ultimate origin, just an eternal rhythm of birth and renewal. This idea also raises profound questions about the nature of reality itself. Could traces of past universes still linger in the fabric of space-time? Some scientists speculate that faint imprints from previous cycles might be detectable, offering clues to this grand cosmic dance. The implications stretch far beyond physics, touching on philosophy and even our sense of place in the cosmos. If the universe is infinite and cyclic, does that mean everything that has happened or will happen has already occurred in some form? It's a mind-bending thought, one that invites us to reconsider not just the future of the universe, but the very meaning of time, existence, and our role within it. The cyclic model doesn't just challenge what we know, it opens the door to a universe that's far stranger and more interconnected than we ever imagined. What if the universe had a mirror, a vast, mysterious region of space that reflects everything we know in ways we can barely comprehend? This isn't just a sci-fi concept, it's a tantalizing possibility that could redefine how we see reality itself. Picture this, a cosmic mirror that doesn't just reflect light, but entire galaxies, laws of physics, and even alternate versions of ourselves. It's a mind-bending idea that challenges everything we think we know about symmetry, existence, and the very fabric of the cosmos. At its core, a cosmic mirror would do more than just show us a flipped image of the universe. It could reveal hidden dimensions, unseen forces, or even parallel realities that exist just beyond our perception. Imagine looking into this mirror and seeing a version of Earth where history unfolded differently, or where the laws of physics operate in ways that seem impossible to us. What if this mirror isn't just a reflection, but a window into a multiverse, a cosmic kaleidoscope of infinite possibilities? The implications are staggering. A cosmic mirror could offer clues about the nature of dark matter and dark energy, those elusive components that make up most of the universe but remain invisible to us. It might also challenge our understanding of symmetry, a fundamental principle that underpins everything from the structure of atoms to the shape of galaxies. If this mirror exists, it could show us that symmetry isn't always perfect, that the universe has hidden quirks we've yet to uncover. But how would we even find such a thing? Detecting a cosmic mirror would require groundbreaking technology and a shift in how we observe the cosmos. Astronomers might look for anomalies, regions of space where light behaves strangely, or where gravitational waves echo in unexpected ways. It's a hunt for the extraordinary, a search that could take us to the very edge of what we know and push us into uncharted territory. And let's not forget the philosophical questions. What would it mean to see an alternate version of ourselves in this mirror? Would it spark existential curiosity or existential dread? The discovery of a cosmic mirror wouldn't just be a scientific breakthrough. It would be a profound moment of introspection, forcing us to confront the nature of identity, reality, and our place in the universe. This idea isn't just about finding something new, it's about reimagining everything we think we know. A cosmic mirror could be the key to unlocking mysteries that have puzzled humanity for centuries. It's a reminder that the universe is far stranger, far more complex, and far more wondrous than we've ever imagined. And who knows, one day we might just look into that mirror and see a reflection that changes everything. What if everything you see, touch, and experience is nothing more than an elaborate projection? Imagine the universe itself as a kind of cosmic movie screen with all the information about reality, every star, planet, and even your own thoughts encoded on a two-dimensional surface. This mind-bending idea, known as the holographic principle, comes straight from the cutting edge of theoretical physics. It suggests that the three-dimensional world we perceive might just be an illusion, a kind of grand cosmic trick. The holographic principle isn't just science fiction. It emerged from the study of black holes, where physicists discovered that all the information about objects falling into a black hole could be encoded on its event horizon, the two-dimensional boundary surrounding it. This led some scientists to propose that the entire universe might work the same way, with all its complexity and depth emerging from a flat, information-rich surface. If this were true, it would completely upend our understanding of space, time, and even the nature of reality itself. Think about it: the stars above, the ground beneath your feet, the very fabric of existence. It could all be a kind of cosmic hologram, a projection of information from a hidden, two-dimensional source. But what would this mean for us? For starters, it would challenge everything we think we know about the universe. The idea of a holographic reality blurs the line between what's real and what's an illusion, forcing us to reconsider the nature of existence. It also opens up fascinating questions about consciousness and perception. If the universe is a hologram, is our experience of reality just a kind of cosmic decoding of that information? Are we, in a sense, part of the projection itself? This possibility invites us to explore not just the universe, but the very nature of what it means to exist. It's a reminder that reality might be far stranger and more mysterious than we've ever imagined. And while the holographic principle is still a theory, it's one that could fundamentally change how we see the cosmos and ourselves. So the next time you look up at the night sky, consider this. What if the vast, three-dimensional expanse above you is just the surface of something far deeper, a hidden layer of reality waiting to be uncovered? Picture this: somewhere out in the vast expanse of the cosmos, there's an object, an ancient celestial clock ticking in perfect harmony with the heartbeat of the universe. This isn't just a poetic idea, it's a concept that could revolutionize how we understand time itself. A cosmic clock, if discovered, wouldn't just measure seconds, minutes, or hours. It would synchronize with the universe's deepest rhythms, offering us a glimpse into the very fabric of reality. What makes this idea so fascinating is how it challenges everything we think we know about time. We often view time as a linear, unchanging force, something that moves forward at a steady pace. But what if time is more fluid, more interconnected with the universe's structure than we ever imagined? A cosmic clock could reveal patterns we've never noticed, cycles that repeat across eons, or even hints about the universe's ultimate fate. Think about it: the universe already has its own natural rhythms. Stars pulse, galaxies rotate, and black holes emit gravitational waves, all moving in a kind of cosmic dance. A cosmic clock might tap into these rhythms, acting as a universal metronome. It could help us decipher the universe's grand symphony, revealing how everything from the tiniest particles to the largest structures are connected through time. And the implications, they're mind-bending. If such a clock exists, it could provide answers to some of the biggest questions in science. Does time have a beginning or an end? Is the universe finite or infinite? Could there be other dimensions of time we've yet to comprehend? A cosmic clock wouldn't just give us answers, it would open up entirely new avenues of exploration, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. But here's the real kicker: discovering a cosmic clock wouldn't just change science, it could change us. It would force us to rethink our place in the universe, to see time not as something that controls us, but as something we're deeply connected to. It's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises waiting for us to uncover them. And who knows, the next great discovery might not just tell us more about the cosmos, it might tell us more about ourselves. Now picture a universe laced with invisible threads, stretching across unimaginable distances like the seams of a cosmic tapestry. These aren't just any threads, they're cosmic strings, theoretical one-dimensional objects that could hold the key to understanding the very fabric of reality. Born in the fiery chaos of the early universe, these strings are thought to be remnants of the intense phase transitions that occurred just moments after the Big Bang. If they exist, they'd be incredibly thin yet unimaginably dense, carrying immense amounts of energy as they weave through space-time. What makes cosmic strings so fascinating is their potential to shape the universe itself. Imagine them as gravitational highways, subtly bending the paths of galaxies and even altering the distribution of matter across the cosmos. They could act as cosmic signposts, pointing us toward clues about how the universe expanded and evolved. If we were to detect these strings, it wouldn't just be a scientific breakthrough. It would be like finding a hidden blueprint of the universe's architecture. But how could we ever find something so elusive? Scientists have proposed that cosmic strings might leave behind unique signatures, such as distortions in the cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. They could also produce gravitational waves, ripples in space-time that we're now beginning to detect with advanced observatories. Discovering these strings wouldn't just confirm a long-standing theory, it would open up entirely new avenues for exploring the forces that govern the cosmos. And then there's the bigger question: what would cosmic strings tell us about the nature of reality itself? Could they reveal secrets about the unification of fundamental forces or even hint at dimensions beyond the ones we perceive? The idea of these strings invites us to think of the universe not just as a vast expanse of stars and galaxies, but as a dynamic, interconnected web, one that's still full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So, as we peer deeper into the cosmos, the search for cosmic strings reminds us that the universe is far stranger and more intricate than we've ever imagined. What other hidden structures might be out there, quietly shaping the story of everything? The answers could be closer than we think, waiting for us to pull on the right thread. What if, hidden among the countless stars in the night sky, there's a completely new type of star waiting to be discovered? Stars have always fascinated us, from the fiery red giants to the ultra-dense neutron stars. But what if there's something even more extraordinary out there? A star unlike anything we've ever seen, with properties that defy our current understanding of how stars form, evolve, and die. The discovery of such a star wouldn't just add a new entry to our cosmic catalog, it could rewrite the rules of stellar physics altogether. Imagine a star that doesn't fit into any of the categories we know. It might burn with an unusual color, emit energy in unexpected ways, or even have a structure that challenges the very definition of what a star is. This isn't just science fiction, it's a real possibility. Throughout history, every time we've thought we had stars figured out, the universe has thrown us a curveball. Take neutron stars, for example. When they were first proposed, their existence seemed almost impossible. Yet today, we know they're real, and they've opened up entirely new areas of research. A new type of star could do the same, offering clues about the universe's composition, the nature of dark matter, or even the origins of life itself. The implications of such a discovery would be profound. It could reveal hidden processes at work in the cosmos, processes we haven't even imagined yet. Perhaps this star would shine in a part of the electromagnetic spectrum we've overlooked, or maybe it would interact with its surroundings in a way that's completely alien to us. It might even hold the key to understanding some of the most mysterious phenomena in the universe, like fast radio bursts or gamma-ray bursts. the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. And let's not forget the sheer wonder of it all. Discovering a new type of star would remind us just how much we still have to learn about the cosmos. It's a humbling thought that after centuries of studying the stars, there could still be something out there that surprises us. This is what makes astronomy so thrilling. The universe is always ready to reveal something new, something unexpected. Every time we look up at the night sky, we're not just observing the stars, we're exploring the unknown, one discovery at a time. What if the universe isn't just vast and mysterious, but also infinitely intricate in a way that defies our imagination? Imagine looking at a snowflake under a microscope and noticing its delicate, repeating patterns. Now, picture that same principle applied to the cosmos itself. This is the idea behind the 21st surprise. The universe might be a fractal, a structure where patterns repeat at every scale, from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxy clusters. Think about it like this: when you zoom into a fractal, you see a smaller version of the same design, and no matter how far you zoom in or out, the pattern continues. If the universe follows this rule, it would mean that the galaxies, stars, and even the tiniest particles are all part of a grand, repeating blueprint. This isn't just a poetic thought, it's a scientific hypothesis that could fundamentally change how we see reality. For centuries, we've assumed the universe is mostly uniform, with matter and energy distributed evenly on the largest scales. But what if that's only part of the story? A fractal universe would mean that structure and complexity exist at every level, no matter how big or small. It would challenge our understanding of how the cosmos evolved and force us to rethink the very nature of space and time. Consider the implications for science. If the universe is fractal, it could mean that the laws of physics aren't fixed but instead vary depending on the scale you're observing. What works for a galaxy might not apply to a single atom, and vice versa. This could open up entirely new fields of study, where scientists explore how these repeating patterns influence everything from the birth of stars to the behavior of quantum particles. But it's not just about science, it's about how we perceive reality. If the universe is fractal, it suggests that there's an underlying order to what seems chaotic. It's as if the cosmos is whispering a hidden code, waiting for us to decode it. This idea invites us to look deeper, to question our assumptions, and to wonder if there's more to the universe than meets the eye. So, what would it mean if we discovered the universe is a fractal? It would be a revelation that reshapes our understanding of existence itself. It would remind us that even in the vastness of space, there's a beauty in the repetition, a rhythm that connects the smallest fragments to the grandest structures. And perhaps it would inspire us to see the universe not just as a place to explore, but as a masterpiece of infinite complexity waiting to be understood. What if, somewhere out there in the vast expanse of the cosmos, there's a shortcut to the farthest reaches of the universe, or even to entirely different dimensions? Picture this: a cosmic gateway, a mysterious region of space where the rules we know bend and twist, creating a passage to places we've only dreamed of exploring. The discovery of such a gateway wouldn't just rewrite the textbooks on space travel, it would completely redefine our understanding of the universe itself. Think about wormholes, those theoretical tunnels through space-time that could connect distant points in an instant. Now, imagine a real, tangible version of that concept, a place where space folds in on itself, offering a direct route to galaxies billions of light-years away. The implications are staggering. Instead of spending generations traveling to distant stars, we could potentially step through this gateway and emerge on the other side in what feels like the blink of an eye. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. What if this gateway isn't just a bridge to distant corners of our universe? What if it leads to entirely different dimensions, realms where the laws of physics as we know them don't apply? Imagine stepping through and finding yourself in a place where time flows backward, or where gravity behaves in ways that defy explanation. The possibilities are as endless as they are mind-bending. Of course, the discovery of a cosmic gateway wouldn't just be a scientific breakthrough, it would be a cultural and philosophical earthquake. It would force us to confront questions we've never had to answer before. What lies on the other side? Are we alone in the multiverse? And perhaps most importantly, how do we prepare ourselves for the profound responsibility of stepping into the unknown? The idea of a cosmic gateway challenges us to think bigger, to dream beyond the boundaries of what we currently understand. It's a reminder that the universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we've ever imagined. And who knows, maybe one day humanity will stand at the threshold of such a gateway, ready to take the next giant leap into the cosmos. What if everything we see, touch, and experience is just the output of an unimaginably vast cosmic calculation? This is the mind-bending idea behind the theory that the universe itself might be a quantum computer. Picture this: every star, every atom, every particle working together in a grand computational dance, processing information at scales we can barely comprehend. It's a theory that shifts our perspective from the universe as a collection of physical objects to the universe as a living, breathing information processor. At its core, this idea suggests that reality isn't just governed by physical laws but by computational ones. Think of it like a video game where every detail, from the movement of characters to the flow of water, is determined by underlying code. In this case, the code isn't written by programmers, it's woven into the very fabric of existence. Space, time, and matter could all be expressions of cosmic algorithms running on a quantum scale. Even the randomness we observe in quantum mechanics might not be random at all but part of a deeper computational framework. But what would this mean for us? For starters, it would redefine how we understand information itself. If the universe is a quantum computer, then information isn't just something we create or store, it's the foundation of reality. Every interaction, every event could be seen as a transfer or transformation of information. This could lead to breakthroughs in fields like physics, computing, and even philosophy, as we grapple with questions about free will, consciousness, and the nature of existence. Imagine discovering evidence that supports this theory. It might not come in the form of a glowing supercomputer in the sky, but through subtle patterns in the behavior of particles or the structure of space-time itself. Scientists are already exploring ways to test this idea, looking for signs of computational processes in phenomena like black holes or cosmic radiation. If they succeed, it would be one of the most profound revelations in human history, a glimpse into the hidden machinery of the cosmos. This possibility doesn't just challenge our understanding of the universe, it invites us to rethink our place within it. If reality is computational, then are we, in some sense, part of the program? Could our thoughts and actions be part of a larger cosmic calculation? These questions might sound like science fiction, but they're rooted in cutting-edge scientific theories. And while we may not have all the answers yet, the journey to uncover them promises to be as thrilling as it is transformative. What if the universe isn't just a chaotic expanse of stars and galaxies, but a carefully orchestrated symphony? Picture this: every planet, star, and black hole acting like an instrument in a cosmic orchestra, each contributing to a grand, harmonious composition. This idea, known as the Cosmic Symphony, suggests that the universe's structure and evolution are far more interconnected than we ever imagined. Instead of seeing space as a collection of isolated objects, we might start to view it as a dynamic, unified system where every element plays a role in the greater whole. Think about how music works. Each note, rhythm, and harmony builds on the others to create something beautiful. In the same way, the Cosmic Symphony proposes that the universe operates through a series of intricate patterns and relationships. For example, the gravitational pull between galaxies, the birth and death of stars, and even the expansion of space itself could all be part of this universal melody. What if we could listen to these cosmic rhythms? Scientists are already exploring this idea by studying phenomena like gravitational waves, ripples in space-time that could be the sound waves of the universe. But what would discovering such a symphony mean for us? It would fundamentally shift how we understand existence. Instead of seeing ourselves as mere observers in a vast, indifferent cosmos, we might realize that we're part of this grand composition. Our planet, our solar system, and even humanity itself could be notes in this celestial song. This perspective could inspire a deeper sense of connection to the universe and a renewed curiosity about the forces that shape it. The Cosmic Symphony also raises fascinating questions. Are there composers behind this universal harmony, natural laws or principles we've yet to fully grasp? Could we one day decode the sheet music of the cosmos, predicting how it will evolve over billions of years? These are the kinds of mysteries that make this idea so compelling. It's not just about understanding the universe, it's about experiencing it in a whole new way. As we continue to explore the cosmos, whether through telescopes, space probes, or theoretical models, the concept of a cosmic symphony reminds us that the universe is more than just a random collection of matter and energy. It's a dynamic, interconnected system that invites us to listen closely, to seek out its hidden harmonies, and to appreciate the beauty of its grand design. What secrets might this symphony hold? Only time and our relentless curiosity will tell. What if the universe isn't just a collection of stars, planets, and galaxies, but something far more profound, a living library teeming with knowledge waiting to be discovered? Imagine each celestial object as a page in an infinite book, holding secrets about its origins, its purpose, and perhaps even the story of existence itself. This idea transforms the cosmos from a mere physical expanse into a dynamic, interconnected repository of wisdom. It's a concept that challenges everything we think we know about the universe, inviting us to see it not as a void, but as a living, breathing archive. Think about it, every star could be a chapter, every planet a footnote, and every galaxy a volume in this cosmic library. The light from distant stars, the gravitational waves rippling through space, even the composition of ancient asteroids, all of it might carry encoded information about the universe's past, present, and future. What if black holes, those mysterious giants, are like the library's vaults, safeguarding knowledge so profound that it could reshape our understanding of reality itself? The implications are staggering. If we could learn to read the universe, we might uncover answers to questions we haven't even thought to ask yet. But how would we begin to decode this cosmic library? One possibility lies in the very tools we've already developed: telescopes, particle detectors, and even quantum computers. These technologies could act as our translators, helping us interpret the signals and patterns embedded in the fabric of space-time. And then there's the tantalizing idea that life itself might be part of this library's design. Could we, as conscious beings, be both readers and writers in this grand narrative, contributing to the universe's ongoing story? This concept doesn't just challenge our scientific understanding, it also raises profound philosophical questions. If the universe is a living library, does it have a purpose? Is it simply recording events, or is it guiding us towards some greater understanding? And what does it mean for humanity if we're part of this cosmic archive? The idea invites us to see ourselves not as isolated observers, but as active participants in a universe that's far more interconnected and meaningful than we ever imagined. So, what secrets might this living library hold? Could it reveal the origins of dark energy, the nature of consciousness, or even the existence of other dimensions? The possibilities are endless, and the journey to uncover them could redefine what it means to explore. The universe in this light becomes more than a frontier. It becomes a conversation, a dialogue between us and the cosmos. And that's a story worth exploring. The universe is a place of endless wonder, and the possibilities we've uncovered today are merely the tip of the cosmic iceberg. From the mind-bending concept of alien megastructures to the breathtaking idea of cosmic symphonies, each revelation pushes the boundaries of what we think we know. These aren't just scientific theories or distant fantasies, they're invitations to expand our imagination and rethink our place in the grand tapestry of existence. Every discovery, every breakthrough reminds us that the cosmos is far stranger and more magnificent than we've ever dared to imagine. As we stand on the edge of this vast unknown, one thing is certain: the universe isn't done surprising us. With every new telescope launched, every mission sent into the depths of space, and every theory tested, we inch closer to uncovering its secrets. Who knows what other marvels are waiting to be discovered? Perhaps one day we'll encounter signs of intelligent life, witness the birth of a new galaxy, or stumble upon phenomena that defy all logic and reason. The future is a blank canvas, and the universe is ready to paint it with colors we've never even seen. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the cosmos. If you've enjoyed this exploration of the universe's mysteries, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more cosmic adventures, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think the universe has in store for us next? The stars are calling, and the journey is far from over. Until next time, keep looking up, because the universe is waiting to surprise us all.